Metalcraft has worked with grade school, universities, medical schools, dental schools, because really at the core of it, even though the assets themselves might be different, they still need to be tracked and they still need to have the information about them being tracked. In terms of the types of assets that we find when we're working with educational institutions, technology is definitely at the top of the list. The laptops, nowadays every student has a Chromebook, and you also have projectors, monitors, laboratory equipment, high dollar value items. Then there's also the possibility that they could be exposed to heat, chemicals, cleaning solutions. That's something that Metalcraft can definitely help out with because of all of the different types of materials that we work with, as well as technology-wise, whatever works best for the environment that it's going to be in. At Metalcraft, we're more than willing to help. A little bit of time and effort put into it on the upfront side is going to save you a lot of time on the back end. You're going to have a better idea of where your assets are, what types of conditions they're in, and ultimately that's going to save people time and money in the long run because they're not going to be spending time that they could be spending doing something else, looking for a lost asset, or even worse, having to repurchase something that isn't really lost, it's just misplaced. Not all label materials and not all adhesives are created equally. So we want to make sure that we're matching the adhesive to that surface, as well as some of the environmental conditions that it could be exposed to. The most expensive piece of an asset tracking program is actually the labor to attach the labels. So you want to make sure that you're selecting the right ones so that you only have to do that once. It's really the time that you wind up saving yourself and even the money that you wind up saving yourself by investing in something that is going to give you that return in the long run. So asset tracking is almost like an insurance policy. If you put a little bit of effort into it in the beginning, you're definitely going to see the return on it. At Metalcraft, we've been doing this for a very, very long time. We were founded in 1950. Through the qualification process here at Metalcraft, first we will discuss what types of labeling the customer is going to need. We'll work that into what their overall objective is for the entire system, whether or not they have something existing or it's something completely new. Over the course of our career working with education, we've seen it all, and we've worked either directly with the schools or with our partners to specifically design tags that will withstand repeated shoving into your backpack or rough handling, or even trying to specifically pick off the edges. We've designed tags around that. We'd be more than happy to assist customers calling us and walk them through the qualification process and provide them with guidance and assistance to put together their asset tracking program.